Hey Google, show me how to fight aliens on YouTube.
Hey Google, play my dance playlist on my Google Play Music.
Thank you guys, have a great weekend.
We've all been there. Traditional projectors make it hard for us to enjoy high-quality movies anywhere these days. Setting up is a hassle and sometimes too complex, which makes it even more frustrating to watch what we want. Some projectors are marketed as the best and the brightest, But when it comes down to it, it's low output with blurry images. Introducing the 4-movie dice, the most easy to use and brightest portable projector on the market today. The 4-movie is an important member of the Xgmi ecosystem. As part of the Xgmi ecosystem and using the most advanced technology, the 4-movie dice features a 1080p Full HD display and an output of 550 ANSI lumens. Small and mobile, the 4-movie dice features a built-in battery equivalent to a 16,000 milliamp hour of portable power, which can last up to 3 hours, allowing you to use it virtually anywhere. Finding the right position has never been easier. The 4-movie dice can be placed at any angle, and with its smart Keystone correction, you can adjust both vertically and horizontally, up to 45 degrees. Accidents happen, no big deal. Just place the 4-movie dice back up and the instant autofocus adjusts the sharpness automatically. You won't believe your eyes when you see how bright the 4-movie dice is. At 550 ANSI lumens, it beats out all other mobile projectors and can project up to 200 inches on a screen. Premiumbeat.com. Powered by Android TV and Google Assistant, you can quickly access all the content you love. Hey Google, play something we can dance to. Immerse yourself with Dolby and DTS cinematic audio. The built-in speakers bring theater-quality sound right to you. No need for excessive cables. With the support of Chromecast built in, you can enjoy those silly moments with the people you love the most. Backed by a 1-year warranty, the 4-movie dice is perfect no matter where you are. Like camping with the family, or the greatest backyard party ever. With your support, you can be one of the first to own a 4-movie dice, bringing you the breathtaking sensation of at-home theater quality, anywhere, anytime.